vacation, build a beach. Mom said I'm a beach, oh no. She said I can never choose either pass or no more food and take away Mountain Dew. Mom say make me rich, why me? She say if I don't then I'm rude. So if I don't become doctor, she will shoot. No!